right, here we go. Part 2 of the 7.3 build. A couple updates.
So we did everything we said we were gonna do. Got some wheels and tires on it that looked decent. Leveled it with a little spacer. Hood stack.
Quality hood stack as you'd expect from us.
Big air filter here, so she can breathe a little better.
So as you can see, she's got some good quality welds in there. Maybe an exhaust leak there.
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Welded the rear diff because you know that's what you want. She's got the tuner. These tires have been on here for basically 1 semester, and they're bald. They were new when I put them on here. So the welded diff in parking garages isn't the best idea.
You see this quality all around.
This had 6 self tappers in it. Now it just has 1. So I mean, I've been daily driving this thing. I bought it basically exactly 1 year ago when we started this project.
Yeah. And
we got it running over the summer. Decided, hey, let's daily drive it for a semester, and it's been fun.
Now she has diarrhea on the hood.
Yeah, I think like I don't need one of those locally hated stickers, but it's
locally hated.
It's probably locally hated.
But we just kind of have a hodgepodge of random clips we've taken over the past couple months throwing in here, so it's going to be all over the place. But she gets the job done. Alright, got her all tidied up back here in her hiney. Put a plate in there, went along all the corners, got on both sides. Should rip now. You happy with that?
I'm pretty happy. I think she'll hold together.
Hopefully.
We're gonna take it for a quick little test drive with no diff cover and no fluid. Just around the block, just to knock off any of those loose particles.
Yeah.
That's recommended.
Nice. Stall her out. She's jiggling.
She gets looser than a goose.
Hi. So Charles is tired of this little bush out front, this truck to turn around. So he is insisting that he is going to be able to snatch it out of the ground.
splooged.
All right, on the way back to Tallahassee, just moved out. All our stuff is with us.
That's not a good sound. Sound like a children's toy, but not a good vehicle sound.
No, so Jazz was going down, lost brakes. How long did you go with no brakes?
No idea. But I hit them, and they were like, they were very hard pedal, no brakes.
He didn't know until he actually had to use them and then realized.
Well, that's why you brake early. You want to check those things.
Yeah.
Look at
So
that.
and so usually you caravan like right next to each other, but when you caravan with Chaz, you have him go an hour in front of you.
That way you can get parts. Usually if you go an hour back, there's a good part. You'll be able to get the part you need.
Yeah. So I was thankfully right in Gainesville. Swung by, grabbed the part for him. TT's being little to no help as usual.
The other good thing is, you've got a clean OBS if you've got a bag of sun chips hanging out here. That's how you know you've got a minty truck.
She's fixed.